Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today I'm just quickly showing you a wing mirror retrofit that we've done for this vehicle. So we've got a Mark 7 7.5 Golf R, and we are going to be upgrading these to the dynamic lighting. So just to show you beforehand, literally clear plastic housing and just on-off indicator flashes. So what we'll do is we'll zip forward in a minute once we've done all the work and show you the after finished effect. Okay, right, so we've done all the hard work now, the indicators all installed, and we're just going to very quickly show you the after effect of these new Golf 7 dynamic lights. So what we'll do is we'll just pop the hazards on very quickly. You can see this lovely smoked effect, black housing plastic, so you don't have that horrible white anymore, that clear, and we get a lovely sweeping motion now. The good thing about these kits is it's not individual LEDs that are then just lighting up individually as they go across. It's a nice scrolling motion and it looks almost very fluid. So what we'll do is we'll just turn the lights off, and so you can see it in a bit more darkness. As you can see, it's a really nice effect, and it's really going to stand out from any other car, because as we know from factory, you can't get this sweeping motion on the indicators. And you can probably just see in the background as well with the on the board, you can see our matrix lights that we've installed as well scrolling across there. So if you want to get this installed into your car, make sure you get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and thanks for watching.